So you want to know what kind of content creation is available in the Privyr app? Come check it out. Hi, my name's Karen. I'm the host of ThrivingTalk, and today on our Tech Talk tutorial, we are talking all about content creation within this CRM, the Customer Relationship Management app called Privyr. So let's bring it up. Okay, so this is what it looks like on desktop. At the top here, I click on content. Within this, you have 3 different types of content you can create. You can have messages, you can have files, and you can have pages. So let's just review what you can do with each of these. Okay, so let's create a message. We're going to go to New Message. We're going to put in a title here. So if this was for a new ad, and this is going to be my first message, then I would put a 1 in front. That's just how I do it, because I might have a sequence of messages that will go out as a new client gets pulled into Privyr. So I put a 1 there for the first message, and then I would put a title. Thanks for clicking on my ad. And then here I would write the message that I want. So it automatically puts a tag there of their name, so that's nice. So you just go after that, and then you just type the message that you want, thanking them for clicking on the ad, giving them a little bit of information, not overwhelming too much, and then you create the message here. Now you would do this multiple times to create the ad and have them all set up. And then when you're done, you'll have several folders like this. So for example, with my ebook ad, this is my first message. Thank you for downloading our ebook, and all the information is there. Then I would have it so that the second message for my ebook, all my content is there. And then the third for my ebook, all the content is there, ready to go. And I can reuse these files for all the different clients that start coming in for that particular ad. Okay, so let's check out the File tab. So the files, you can actually attach PDFs. So for example, I have this Christmas savings one. I made a poster that I wanted to send out to people with coupon codes so they can save money on food this Christmas. And this PDF will be attached to the message. And then down here, you'll see the message that I created that will be attached as well. So at the very end of the message, there will be a link that comes up for them to see the PDF. So that's why at the very bottom here, I said, click here to see the coupon codes. And then this image will be available to them at that point. Okay, so now let's go to Pages. So this third tab brings us to Pages. This is where we can create a message that also has several images that will be shown right there in the text message. So let's just create one. So I'll just call it a test. And this is where you're going to write your description of all the details. And then here's where we're going to upload several images. You can add a website link, attachments. You can even add a YouTube video or a map to show people how to get to you. Okay, and then you would just create it. I'm just going to cancel it because I have 2 that I've already made up here. So let's just take a look. So I'm going to click on the secret that makes our food different. So this is what it looks like with the details right here. Okay, so this is how the text message appears on my phone. Here are the details for our secret that makes our food different. And there's a link here. You can see some of the images. I'm going to click on the link and show you what happens here. Okay, so now this is the primary image that is shown at the top. I have more of my text right here for people to read. It's longer because it's a page. So if you have a lot more information to share, then it might be good to put it in a page versus a text. And then at the bottom, you will see all the other attachments that I've included that they can click on. I could have a video here. I could have a map here. And then I have my contact information at the bottom. So these are the different ways that you can create content with the Privyr app. Okay, so now that I'm on my phone, I'm going to show you what the content looks like on the phone. So here I clicked on content on the bottom, and you can see at the top now we have our messages, files, and pages, just like the desktop version. I have my different files there, and I labeled them 1, 2, 3, so I make sure I send all the right messages out for the different ads I might have. And I can just click the little plus button and I can create a new one right there. Or I can click on files, and now you can see all the different files that I might have. So if there's just one image that you want to share with some text, this is nice. They click on the link, it brings up the image. Now if you want pages, again, this has some of the images right there for them to see, but then they click on the link and the images are even better to see, and you can put in a lot more text, a lot more content to share with people. So this is how we create content on the Privyr CRM so that you can easily send information to your clients. Hopefully this has helped. If you found this useful, please like, subscribe, and share with others. Well, until next time, bye.